haven't even done my intro video with y'all yet, but we are in Singapore. We got here yesterday night, so there wasn't much. We kind of crashed a little bit after. We did go to a little market, but right now we're about to go get breakfast, and I want to show you guys the view. Hold on. Look how beautiful this is. Singapore is stunning. Let's go eat. Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm rising. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on nothing, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on nothing, take you there, take you there. Yeah, hi guys. We're in the cloud. No wait, yeah, cloud forest. It is so pretty here. Yeah, it's so pretty. All these beautiful flowers. In my element. What's up, y'all? It is day 4 in Singapore. I am about to go to the gym. Got the gym all to myself. Hey y'all, spend the day with me in Singapore. We're about to go get some breakfast. First things first, breakfast. Let's go. All right, breakfast is done. I'm back in the room because I came to pick up the laundry. It is a laundry day. They do have a laundromat downstairs, so let's go do that. Hands up high, the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. What's up, y'all? So right now, I am about to edit. I am so backed up on editing. So we about to like go crazy and edit everything while my clothes, my laundry is drying. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. Okay, y'all, quick little OOTD. I just got ready so fast because I want to go fit in this quick little solo day. I'm gonna go find some sushi. Let's go eat some sushi in Singapore. I'm honestly excited because y'all know, if y'all don't know, sushi is my ultimate favorite food, I think. So I'm so excited. Y'all wouldn't believe how upset I am right now. So I was about to get ready. Well, obviously I got ready to go eat sushi, but guess who's not eating sushi? Me. Because apparently the sushi restaurants want to close at 3 p.m. and it is like 2:50 something. So I'm not making it. And the only one that's open is called Aussie Roll, and it's not really like sushi. It's not the type of sushi that I want to eat. It's like hand rolls. It looks like hand rolls or just like whatever. I'm upset. I'm upset, but whatever. I'm just gonna go back to editing. I'm pissed off. I'm thinking about ordering some in though. I don't even know if I can do that. But for now, I'm just gonna go back to editing. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation. Nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. What's up, y'all? We're in Malaysia now for just like a few days, but it's very interesting. I'm actually excited to eat. This is the first like real meal. Well, we had like room service last night,
The first like real meal other than that. Yeah, it looks really good. It's like a mixture of, it's like a little bit of everything. So I know I haven't been vlogging much, right? Oh my god, I have a stash. So I haven't been vlogging much, but we're on our way to Batu Caves in Malaysia. And it is our last day in Malaysia, or last couple hours in Malaysia, so should be fun.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I